So what you can also do is you can go ahead and make out contact sheets easily using Adobe Bridge and then export it out as a file. So to do that, you need to go to Windows, then to Workspace, and then on to Output mode right here. So once you go ahead right here, you can see that Output is an option. And here you can go ahead and select out, let's say, a template of the contact sheet right here, just like this. And then you can simply go ahead and export it. So let's go to 2x2 cell right here, just like this in landscape mode, let's say, for example. And I can go ahead and just click and drag in images right here. I can go ahead and, let's say, for example, drag in this right here, just like this. I can go ahead and drag in this right here, drag in this, and this is what you have. I can also go around and drag in more images, and it actually goes ahead and then adds this out in another page right here. So I got page 1 and page 2, just like this. So you can go ahead and delete these out as well. So I can go ahead and delete these out, delete out the file right here, just like this. Or let me just go ahead and delete these out by pressing the delete dustbin icon right here. And then you can go ahead and add in other images right here, just like this as well. So once you go ahead and do that, you can set the settings as you want, and then you can go ahead and export this out as a PDF file. So I can go around and click, and then over here I'm going to go around onto desktop and then click on save right here. So once I go ahead and do that, you can see that it is generating a PDF contact sheet right here, just like this. And then if you want to access it, I just saved it in the desktop. So if I were to go around and then, let's say, for example, access my desktop right here, this is the file that you have right here. So let me just go ahead and then open this out right here with a browser of my choice, just like this. And once I go ahead and do that, it actually opens up that particular file right here, just like this. So you can see that this is the contact sheet, and this has been generated out by Bridge. And that is how you can go ahead and make a contact sheet inside of Adobe Bridge. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.